We're checked into our room at New York, New York. This is room 2940. We're up on the 29th floor with a strip view. So this is a Park Avenue 2-queen strip view room. And it's one of the newly renovated rooms here, which we requested on check-in. As we're staying here for 11 nights, we're quite keen to get one of those renovated rooms. So here it is. It's got a really good feel to it. Really suits the theming of the hotel and that New York vibe. Our view looks out down to the roller coaster, which is cool. And we're looking out over MGM Grand there and at the Tropicana.
The 2 queen beds are comfortable, and we like the yellow headboards and funky wallpaper. The room includes 2 drawers, a cupboard for a fridge, but no fridge, big TV, and 2 hanging spaces, which was just enough for 2 of us on our trip. The countertop was really handy for making coffee and snacks. The bathroom is clean and the styling suits the new room decor. The large countertop is always a plus. We've got lots of towels. And a bath and shower combo. These industrial hangers were a fun touch.
It ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. It's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance.
Going to the America restaurant for our last breakfast. If we can get in, we'll check out in an hour. Gonna have time?
Hope so.
Got the food. Emily's got. I got the hair made and poached.